How to create an account on Reddit. To create an account on Reddit, you need to install Reddit on your device. Head over to your respective app store. On the search bar, type in Reddit. After installing Reddit onto your device, click on the open button, and meanwhile, make sure you're connected to a stable internet service. So now it will take you to their official page. So click on sign up at the bottom of the page. Next, what you need is here, you simply want to go ahead and click on the login button or sign up button. So after you click on the sign up button, it will basically ask you to enter in the email address or Google account or Apple ID or with your phone number as well. After providing your information, you will need to verify your email or phone number. You need to choose a unique username and then a password, and you can personalize your feed by selecting interest before your account is created. And once you've actually done this, it might take a while in order to get you to verify. So follow the on-screen prompt, and then you could go ahead and start selecting or start uploading your profile or creating your profile, and adding in your username and then creating your information. So this way you could go ahead and create an account on Reddit. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.